We're learning more now about the documents that federal agents seized earlier this month when the FBI raided the Florida home of former President Trump. The DOJ says some of the documents they took were potentially covered by attorney-client privilege. And tonight, a federal judge has indicated she's open to appointing a neutral party to examine those documents. Natalie Brand tells us more.
The U.S. Justice Department faces a new deadline this week to provide more information about what documents were seized from former President Donald Trump's Florida residence. In a new court filing Monday, the DOJ said a team review identified a limited set of materials that potentially contain attorney-client privileged information and is going through normal procedures to address privilege disputes. Federal Judge Eileen Cannon in Florida has signaled she may appoint a special master or independent party to review the documents, though she's not yet made a final decision. Friday's release of the heavily redacted affidavit behind the search reveals of the 15 boxes returned to the National Archives in January, 67 documents were marked confidential, 92 marked secret, and another 25 marked top secret. The affidavit also indicated that some of the documents may have contained information from CIA spies or informants.
This is the most sensitive material of the United States intelligence community.
In response to requests from U.S. lawmakers, the Director of National Intelligence says her office plans to conduct a review to determine whether the former president's handling of classified material may have put national security at risk.
This involves material that is part of an ongoing criminal investigation, and we just aren't going to comment on that.
I did nothing wrong.
The former president has come out swinging against the FBI search, and so have some of his most ardent supporters.
If there's a prosecution of Donald Trump for mishandling classified information after the Clinton debacle, there'll be riots in the streets.
Former Obama and George W. Bush White House officials have criticized Graham's comments as, quote, dangerous and inciting January 6th all over again. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Washington.
Well, I reached out to Senator Graham's office this afternoon about his riot comments. His office telling me today that Graham has made it clear he does not support violence, but says a lot of Americans see a double standard shaping up with the former president, where he's held to one standard of the law and Hillary Clinton to another.